Would you get one more?
Oh, yeah.
ご飯もあるし、高級ハムもあるし、他に何があるんですか？
What is that, tofu?
豆腐、グッ豆腐。
Yoshi only buys the best things.
ねえ、
Wow. Maroni.
今日最後は何を食べる？締めですか？締め。ラーメン。キロぐらいになってる。お肉全部食べなくてもいいんじゃない？
There's the gang looking for dinner. Yoshi's making a sugoi dinner for everybody.
Already purchased the meat.
The special meat, sanda beef. That's the best in Japan. That's the Kobe beef, right?
Exactly.
Saw your face in the crowd and I think we don't die. Her just perfect, yeah, she's beautiful. Never thought you'd be here, it took me by surprise. When I met you in the doorway, I had a friend, you're a friend. Never thought I would see you this soon, but hope she really loves you. 'Cause I swear you deserve everything. Wish that I knew that sooner. We got sober, it was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again.
Tonight is a special dinner. Yoshi, Shota, Naoki, and me are going to have shabu-shabu. And this is the best beef, sand beef,
Kobe beef.
Kobe beef, Wagyu. So official. Oh, this is sand beef? Wow. Wow. How do you feel? どうですか? Are you 楽しみ?
楽しみもナンバーワンビーフ
Number one beef in Japan. And we're having it here at Yoshi's house with sashimi, daikongoroshi, special tomato salad, and look at Yoshi there.
This is the last beef, you know. はい、これ、ちょっと、これ。
はいはいはい
はい、これ、ほら、食べこれ、自分のちょっとわさびと醤油。
醤油あれ醤油がない
醤油、その辺にある。これ、
Wow.
醤油、はい、渡した。このわさびでちょっと食べて、はいよ。はい、マイク、ほら。
Okay.
はい、マイク、はい、マイク、はい、これちゃんと食べないと。
Okay. So tonight for the shabu-shabu, we're having daikon, which we have what we call ground or shredded.
Yes.
And this is goma tare, made from sesame seed. And
オニオンよろしく。
there's the boiling shabu-shabu. What is that, Naoki?
This is ponzu
Ponzu?
Yeah.
So ponzu and daikon in one. That's one dipping sauce, and the other one is the
これ入れ
goma.
て、美味しいから絶対。
And then
これ
Shota there is putting green onions with daikon
大根ネギって英語になってる
and negi, green onions. Yeah, can I put some? Just a little bit. That is Kyoto special
シチミ
shichimi. 7 different kinds of chili pepper inside.
That's exactly right.
And then Yoshi's put in the
春雨。
harusame. Look at that. Wow, man. Look at that. That is unbelievable. We are eating 100 times better than any restaurant tonight. The best wine,
あるからいっぱい
the best meat, sashimi, the best home shredded wasabi, the European style vegetables. Yeah, can you put some in? So there we go. So that's the dipping sauce, one dipping sauce, and this is the other dipping sauce. Wow. And then we're gonna shabu-shabu the meat in here with all the vegetables. Healthy, good, tasty. Wow.
もちろんあれも食べるんだけど、ビーフも。このフォークもうまいよ。
Oh.
本当に。
ポークしゃぶしゃぶ
このもち豚。
レッドワイン
It's good?
はい、次
Shota, the expert wine expert, just said. So we're gonna have shabu-shabu with the pork first. Wow, look at that meat. Look at that meat.
Mochi buta.
Mochi buta? What does that mean, mochi buta?
Like mochi, like the rice cake
Yeah.
that I'm talking about. It's like tasty and not chewy, I would say, but
That's the
have a
texture.
texture, I would say.
Wow, mochi buta. Wow, I learned something tonight. Mochi buta. So we're gonna have mochi buta in the shabu-shabu. Oh, this would be great. Wow, look at that. We just ate the Kobe beef that melt in your mouth, and now we're gonna have mochi buta in the shabu-shabu. Holy cow. Look at that.
It's not cow, it's pork.
Holy pork. Holy pork. Holy pig, we should say. Holy pig.
That's right. Oishiso. Okay,
よし
let's go.
Let's go
Let's go shabu.
豚しゃぶと
Shabu time.
Shabu-shabu time.
Shabu
Shabu-shabu
time.
time. Shabu-shabu time.
白菜
白菜
Ah, look at that.
Okay.
Looks ono. This mochi buta.
もち豚
How is it?
おいしい。
もち豚 and
Why? Best? This is famous. Samayan, 30,000 yen. $300 for this bottle. And Yoshi took it out. I think we're gonna drink this tonight, but wow. That's like, we say zeitaku in Japanese, so like extravagant. I guess it's very famous, and you can buy it at Takashimaya department store for Samayan.
え、not
not
3
3
万円
万円
Is it more?
more
It's more.
More. Okay, everybody, it's more than Samayan, so you're talking at least minimum $300. Probably more like close to $400 a bottle. A bottle. One bottle.
Mike, do you happen to know this? Hawaiian made shochu.
Huh?
ハワイアン
Really?
Yes, this is super expensive in Japan too.
How much is it, Joshi?
I don't know, but
How did you get it? You brought it back from Hawaii?
yeah, somebody, Korean's friend,
Yeah.
was kind enough to give it to me.
What is it called? Nami Hana.
Namihana.
Shochu?
Yeah, shochu.
Made from what? Sugar cane?
Yes.
Huh?
It's not sugar cane. I don't think so. No shore, yeah? Say no shore.
Look what Yoshi had. It's called Nami Hana. Nami meaning wave, Hana, flower, wave flower. This is from Hawaii. He got it from Carrie-Ann's friend, and it says it's bottled in Haleiwa. This is shochu. Shochu that's usually made in Japan from rice or potato, like a vodka. This is Hawaii's brand. I never heard of it before until tonight. Nami Hana. So I heard it's very expensive. Probably a lot, just few of them out there. So those of you who are interested in shochu from Hawaii, this is the brand. Nami Hana. Wow.
But it's hard to get though.
Yeah, really hard to get. So this is really, really, I'm sure, expensive and very rare. But anyway, tonight we get to see it.
俺15秒手洗ったんで全然大丈夫ですからまさかみんなのやつこれでやってますからはい行きます
It's okay. It will boil the water.
はい
まずでかすぎるよね。これでかさがすごい。
でもこれ本当にこう幅があったらサーロインステーキ
シ
だもんね
ャブシャブ
あ
Shabu. Okay, there is Shota Shabu-Shabuing.
あ、もう、
OK
早っ
Wow, that's all. Just a little bit braised. Doesn't have to be really cooked that well. Wow, look at that. It's like half raw. Americans will think that that's half raw.
ちょっとローストビーフはい
Yeah, almost like roast beef.
うまい
油ってなんていうんですか
Oil.
オイル
Oily.
オイルベル
でもいいね
Yeah, good meaning of oily.
Yes ビーフはいいオイルがついてるからね
How long do I put it in?
As long as you like but he recommends like rare is better
Rare is better. So I am here. I am shabu-shabuing. This motion is called shabu-shabu. It's like back and forth, back and forth. And Shota says that just a little bit grazed, I think is the word in English. Grazed. Just like that's enough then?
Yes that's good enough
Okay. Oops. Wow, and I'm gonna use the ponzu sauce with the daikon oroshi.
ええ
Maybe a little more daikon. Yeah.
大根おろし man
Yeah.
and
Oh yeah, ponzu. Gotta have
more a
ponzu.
little bit more ponzu on
Look at that,
on top.
everybody. Look at that. That is so amazing. This is probably the best I've eaten in like 100 years. Wow.
How
So
they really
look at
exaggerating.
that.
とは違う。
The balance of the daikon with the ponzu sauce, with the meat, it's a little bit sweet. The shoyu is a little bit sweet. All balance out to make this unbelievable taste. Really, this is like, I mean, I love the fried. When we fried the wagyu, that was really good too. But this is totally different, softer in a way, and more actually, what do I say? Easier to eat in a way. Then Shota says you gotta drink it with the wine. Wow, that is so freaking good. So good.
Hey, you a connoisseur,
Oh,
man.
man, I am eating with the connoisseurs here, and I'm learning. Unbelievable, ladies and gentlemen. The Yoshi Matsuda special, man. You gotta
Yeah.
try this or the goma. Now the goma is also good, but I think it's cleaner and fresher if you just eat it with the ponzu and the daikon and the green onions. And it's much cleaner, I think. But so if you have cheaper meat, I think go with the goma. But more expensive meat, I would go with this or just the wasabi, as
Good recommendation.
as Shota said. Especially when you fry, just go with the wasabi. That's all you need, right? Maybe a little bit shoyu. Unbelievable. Thank you, Yoshimatsuda Sensei, for this great
Yeah.
meal. Round 4. Look at that.
600g が終わったよ。
600 gram, man. That's ichimaen for 600 gram. I don't know what is that in ounces, but
ああいうの
that's probably $100 for 600 grams. And that's the end of the
次は
600
ごま
grams.
だれでいきます。
You're gonna go with the goma dare.
Next ごまだれ。
Oh, look at that. Looks so happy. Is it good there, Naoki?
直樹どう？
I can die.
You can die now.
死ん
You can
だ。
die.
死んだ。
Wow.
Amazing meal.
One of the things that we think is about food is if the person expectation exceed, the food is exceeded his expectation or her expectation. The word who come is wow. Yeah. So like ice wine, everybody thinks it's kind of ice. It's wine, one of the wine. But when they taste the ice wine, they think, what? Wow, what is this? So that's the word, like Haagen-Dazs too.
Yeah.
When I created the green tea ice cream,
Yeah.
It's the project called Wow Project.
Really?
Yes.
And if they say wow, then you know you've reached the level you wanted.
Right. It's not satisfaction. It's
Above.
exceed their
Expectation.
expectation so that the word would come is wow.
So give me an example. So they taste it and they go like, wow.
What the hell is this?
And in Japanese, how would they say that?
え、何ですかこれ? Green tea ですか? Yes. So
That would be the highest level of
evaluation
expectation.
from the customer. So when I approach the customer and they're looking for, say, ice wine, I will say, hey, this is called wow product. And they say, well, what is that? I said, it's called wow product. And I said, why? Because these are the reasons. And then we used to give the samples. So, would you like to taste some? I said, yes. Sure enough, as soon as they tasted, they said the word of wow.
They said the wow.
Yes, not me, but the product tells, communicate to the customers.
So for the last, 3 weeks, you've been going to department stores
Or I'm selling the promoting Canadian wines, yeah.
from 9 in the morning
Right,
till
right.
8.
9:30 to 8 or something.
You're just standing and getting people to taste.
Right,
the things.
right.
It's tiring, huh?
Yeah, but I like the dealing with the people,
Ah.
customer, talking to them, and then, some of the people went to Canada,
Oh,
and then they said, "Oh, I went to Canada, and they went to Niagara Falls, and then on the way coming back, I tasted some of the ice wine. Oh, this is the wine that I
Ah.
tasted. Oh, finally I could find. They are so excited. They have the experience behind them, right? before
Yeah.
they taste the wine.
So they have context. So that's why right away when they taste,
Exactly.
they're so happy.
Right. Like I went to Midpack
Yeah.
when I was a senior high school, right? So when the Hawaiian people comes to Japan, they kind of ask me some of the questions, and they said I speak, oh, that place is so honest. They freak out. They said, hey man, how come do you know the word of ono? I said, hey, I went to Midpack. Oh, you went to Midpack. That kind of a
Yeah.
little bit
The connection.
relationship makes a difference.
Yeah,
in the
that's right.
communication.
If somebody knows, you know something that where they're from or whatever, of course,
Right.
instantly you have a connection.
Exactly. Oh, good.
Shota just
I-
remembered that for breakfast. So.
Yes, we gotta leave some of
Yeah.
the pork for the buta jiru.
Butajiro, yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah. That'd be great tomorrow. And this is a different kind of mushroom. What do you call that? Like
違う石崎
Maitake.
maitake.
と
In Japan, they have so many different kinds of
えのきこの
mushrooms.
せだよね。
You know, in America, we just call mushroom everything. Yeah, it's like we only think we don't have so many kinds. You know, so they don't use mushroom for shiitake. They call it shiitake.
Shiitake is shiitake.
Yeah, but most
In the United States, you call it shiitake too.
yeah, in America, mushroom is just everything.
Right.
In Japan, has like all the different kinds.
And the shiitake is
Enoki.
very good for your health,
Oh, really?
Yeah, presently, the doctor analyzed
Like
Yeah.
what? Like for what?
that. How do you say intestine?
Intestines?
Right. They absorb the intestine. The structure is they have this kind of dimple, right?
Yeah.
So that by eating the shiitake, they absorb their butt part or the remaining things in between.
Really?
Clean up your
あー
Intestines,
はい
really?
はい腸のね、この、
はい
なんていうの
はい
ひだ。
ひだとかこのぐねぐねとか
のそれをきれいにするんだって。
Wow. I didn't
I
know.
know.
Any kind of shiitake or any kind of mushroom?
Any kind of mushroom.
There you go, folks. We better start eating more mushrooms.
Right?
Hey everyone, this is Mike. If you enjoyed or liked the video, please subscribe below. By subscribing, it helps let me know that you are interested in this type of content. And it helps motivate me, as well as YouTube will send you an email to let you know when my videos first come out. Any help you can give me as far as subscribing, leaving comments, sharing with friends would be very much appreciated. Thanks a lot. The keiki katto for Christmas, Shota, doing the official keiki katto. Since we weren't here together for Christmas, Yoshi bought a chocolate cake. Keiki katto in Japanese.